Alrighty, installing end panels after the countertop. Yes, after the countertop. Had a little bit of a supply issue with our local factory. Not a big deal. Didn't affect the major timeline of the job. And we're getting compensated for the extra time. So, not a big deal. How do we do it? The panels are not getting furniture base. This is their finished look. So we want them scribed to the floor and we want them scribed to the back wall. Toe kick will just butt to the inside, so it needs to be square all the way around there, and then scribe, right? They're sent tall and a little deep. We're gonna do a template up the bottom. The way I do this is take my block at 7/8 of an inch, right? This is where the panel's gonna sit, 7/8 proud. Make sure she's flush, real flush. You want it TTCT, right? More accurate with a taller piece. Take a random size, cut your tape. We'll pop this piece off and cut our template board and our scribe piece, and then double check the fit. Use the multi-tool, slide the board, cut it off, pack it out 1/2 inch and 1/4, because that's the thickness of our panel. That's where the outside's going to touch, right? So we'll grab just one and walk it on over to our table. And combo of the tools up to the line. And here is the double check, right? Still have our 7/8 real flush and real flush. This board's getting a little bit shorter. I probably wouldn't use it anymore if I had any more to do. I don't want to keep it tall, but we've done about 4 or 5 of these already. So we're already using up our template board. I like the MDF, and when you go to cut your scribe for your test fit down there, you want to keep it nice and square, because we're going to use that to transfer. So don't put a bevel on the bottom of that. Keep it a square cut. Double check, looks good. Measure from the toe of where our panel is going to hit to the underside of the countertop and give us some fluff. I'm going to go at 34.5. See, it's what is it? Was that 11? But I like the 5/8. It gives us a little bit of room. Go our template board. Measure down from the top, right? 34.5. Clamp this on so you're flush here and flush here. It's really important that you keep this super flush. Same thing when you're doing your offset with your 7/8. This is what is keeping this square to that. This is not a square scribe, right? Because it's following the floor, but this board is square plumb with the panel, square plumb with the cabinet. Keep that flush. Should make this right. Pull down the nose and you get your angle. Cut the tape, track saw. Now the front, right, because it's getting toe kicked, returned into it. Capping that off, all clean and pretty like. This got to stay square. You don't want to do a bevel cut. So your first 3 or 4 inches, you got to stay square until you get past your toe kick, and then you can go to bevel at it if you like. Otherwise, you just go square with the top saw, and then come back at it with the planer and the belt sander, wherever she is. All right, here's your double check. Flush. Right. Check your scribe. I was a little tight in the front. Used the shim to push the top forward so that those things would line up good. And then I'm gonna use my pencil here, right, and then just kind of traced out the front here, because you can see we got some gappage back here, and focus, pencil mark. Next, so this, we want 7/8, right? And this gets us flush at 7/8 plus your 5/16. So we'll leave the 7/8, we're gonna take the 5/16, off the back, trace to the wall. Nothing wrong with that. Where's the block? There it is. Come on. Screw it on. Yeah, we can caulk that. What about this one? Alrighty. Wall panels.